Y'all, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, so today I've got a vegan seafood boil. One of my care group members, her daughter, wants to like start up a small vegan business here in Columbus. So I definitely had to support. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. And even if you aren't new, if you haven't subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications next time I post a video. And leave some comments down below. Let us know things you'd like to see us try. Things you'd like to see us cook. Interact with us because we do like to hear from you. I'm going to say grace and get started. Dear Holy Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive for nourishment in my body. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So I'm going to give you, I did do a close-up or what have you, but she brought it to me in the bag or whatever. And it's vegan sausage, vegan, there are some like shrimp in here or what have you. Then she got a little sauce, got potatoes, broccoli. So I'm excited. And she just brought it to me. So I said I was going to mukbang this. And very nice. She brought me some lemons, got me some cucumber. And then she was selling desserts too. So I got a slice of red velvet cake. Mm. Mm-hmm. And the actual spicy. I did post the flyer on my Instagram page. The shrimp is good. It tastes like shrimp. I know it's vegan, but it tastes like shrimp. The sausage is good. Okay. Everything's good. And this sauce is the bomb. Mm-hmm. I would have taken it out the bag, but I'm going to just leave it in there. It's good. It's really good. She's so sweet. She was just like, Miss Sunny, because her mom and I are really good friends. We go to church together. And we're in a small group Bible study together. So I've been like hearing about her for years. Even though she's not really that much younger than me. I'm like the baby in the group. All of my care group members are older than me. But I love it. I feel like I fit right in because I got an old soul. And so does Gavin. That's why I call Gavin my old little man. And it was about time for me to have a boil. Mm-hmm. Oh, I ain't gotta cook it. This is good. So it was just a pop-up thing today or tomorrow, this week or whatever, because she was doing it in Texas and she was working on a commercial kitchen, she said. And I shared her information on like my personal socials or whatever, and I shared it in a pretty big group, and then asked if they could share it. If somebody asked if they could share it in another vegan group or a vegan group, the group is basically like black-owned businesses in Columbus or what have you. So I shared it in there, and somebody asked to share it in a vegan group. In my older videos, y'all could see this red cabinet that I used to sit next to. Well, some bags sitting in front of the cabinet, and he's like, in the bags. Last time, or in another video that y'all see, I let him just run around the floor because he don't like being in the little things, really. And honestly, he's roaming around anyway before I do a video, so ain't no need trying to restrict my homie. But this is good. Sauce is really good, really flavorful. It's good. People gonna really enjoy it. So yeah, she was just kind of like throwing it out there, really, like trying to see what she would get. And she said she had to turn down 25 people so far already. And I feel so bad because I shared it in a pretty big group, so they gonna keep calling. So I wonder if it was a way for her to be able to. And I told her I would come and help her if she needed help. What are you doing? What are you doing? I think her friend is helping her or whatever, but I told her I would come and help her next weekend though, because next weekend she's doing like a soul food themed one. And she's gonna have fried chicken. She said mac and cheese, cornbread. She might say greens, and then she's also gonna do cornbread muffins, she said. So I said, yep, you let me know what time I need to be there. Her mom can vouch for me. I'm always down to help. Like me and Val, we thought about doing, well, one we said we are going to do a food truck, which it's still on my to-do list. I definitely want to do a food truck. It's going to happen. Me and Val thought about doing one together or whatever, because, you know, she did the, you know, was doing the preliminary research, and you know, the startup cost for a food truck is really inexpensive. And then obviously, you know, homegrown costs are not that much either. So, but in any event, we had a farmer's market with my church last summer. And the summer before that, I believe. And, she entered, or, you know, signed up to do the farmer's market or whatever, so sell food and stuff there. While I did want to do it with her, the first year she did it, I don't know what happened, but I'm glad that she didn't wait on me and just, you know, went on ahead and did it. But I told her, you know, I would come and help her, you know, serve orders and stuff like that. So a couple times after church I did. So her mom knows, she know I'm good for it. I'm gonna go help. Cause listen, it's a market for it. First of all, you know, everybody's very health conscious. Here in Columbus is the best place to have like a restaurant or whatever, because we're a test market. A lot of companies or whatever, even if their headquarters aren't here in Columbus, they use Columbus as a test market and test it here and see how it does here, and then if it does well here, then, you know, they'll roll it out nationally or whatever. Like Wendy's has their corporate headquarters here. A couple other places. But like I said, even if they don't aren't headquartered here, they're always trying stuff here. Because not Wendy's, Columbus does have a diverse population of people or what have you. So what? What the Bobby? He says, you know what, girl? You up there eating that food and give me none. I would. If I thought about it, I may have not have gotten it spicy. I did get it spicy though. So. Hello. Well, no. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. I got him something spicy. I didn't think it was that spicy, but he didn't like it. I don't remember what it was though. I didn't think it was that spicy, but you know, I'm probably just so immune to spice or what have you, and he was just like, "Get this out of my mouth." And he was, I think, it was on the video. I forget. I can't even think of what it was. Oh, it was Chipotle. I think the Chipotle seasoning was a little too spicy for him. Y'all, if y'all had seen it, I'm sure I cut it out, but he fussed me out. He was eating it. He's like, "Dang, I want to keep eating it, but it's spicy." I think I only gave him chicken. I didn't give him steak. Cause I know the steak can be spicy, but dang, the reason why I didn't give it to him, I just got him chicken. Or it was either the chicken, or it could have been the salsa, because sometimes that salsa does have jalapenos in it. So, this is really good. And I didn't know what the vegan shrimp was gonna taste like. I don't know which one she used, but I remember watching the ghetto vegans, and they tried some shrimp that they ain't like. Like nobody, like everybody was just like, This was really good, really really good. The baby, what's wrong, man? What, man? What? What's wrong? Okay, hold on, hold on. My hands, like, he might be mad that he's stuck hit under his table. Okay, I'm back. I had to get the homie some grapes. He was getting upset about these lemons. I think he finally did. Although, look how what he did to this one. Well, you ain't gonna be able to see it so bright, but he basically drank all the juice out that one. But the second one, maybe it was just. But let me tell y'all about this. Back to this red velvet cake. It's freaking perfect. It has the perfect color. The icing is perfect, and it's vegan. She did her thing. I don't know why I didn't give me a regular spoon while it was up. The bomb. I've been waiting on that all day. I ain't eat nothing because I knew I will. I didn't know how much it was going to be, but I figured it would be a lot. So, you know, I didn't want to eat a whole lot. But that's all, y'all. I'm about to sit here with the baby while he eat his grapes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook. Interact with us because we do like to hear from you. And subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. And even if you haven't, if you aren't new, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And hit that bell so you get notifications next time I post a video. And leave some comments down below. And we will see you in the next one. I realize that some of that I said twice, but we're just going to go with it.